We're gonna redeem ourselves. We're gonna play permadeath. What? What? And I don't even remember. How did I die? Well, I was a little bit two shades to the wind at the moment. I was drinking. But anyways, and we'll start a brand new game, so play. And is this the one from yesterday that I died? Survival? Creative. Explore and create freely. No cost, no damage, no limits. Normal, relaxed, custom, survival challenge. There we go. I don't know. I was so upset last night, maybe being drunk and upset. Okay, ignore everything that was said. I was like, oh my god. Uh-oh, we're getting lag already. Super lag. Quadruple super. Wow. Really? What are they doing? All this could be done in one point. Have you seen my intro to my game? Computer, it's crashed. Did it crash? It didn't crash last night. Computer, what's going on? Great. We crashed it. And are we giving it a minute? I don't know. Don't know. Anybody else see anything? I don't see anything. It's not showing the game. It's not showing the game. Computer. That sucks.
Oleg Edmund, hey buddy, have fun, got a raid and run.
Oh, thanks for the raid. Well, we crashed No Man's Sky. I guess I can try to run it again, but I don't know. See who it was. Oh, Alleged Man. Hey, it's Alleged Man. Dude, thanks for the raid. Okay, we'll try No Man's Sky again. I don't know why it crashed. It ran last night. I don't know what's going on. Well, there's other demos I could play, like a few things that I've downloaded that I wanted to try for a while now. Alright. We're going into Hello Games. No Man's Sky. Powered by WYs. Okay, it just crashed on me, so I'm not sold. New game, survival. Please don't crash. Okay. It's running again. It's running again. And now it's showing that it's not crashing. We might be okay. Oh, it crashed again. No, we're just lagging. I can deal with a little bit of lag, but you know, too much is too much. I'm guessing it's crashed again. This is crazy. Okay. So, did they do an update since last night? Because it didn't crash last night. The audio still goes. The game is actually running. It's just not rendering to the screen. Oh, no, 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 no. Alright, fine. Hang on, whatever. Crash. Okay, well, so much for that. So much for that. Here. Let's close down Steam altogether. Shutting down Steam, okay. I would prefer to reboot my computer, to be honest with you. Just to be honest. Okay. 3, 4. Okay. And 5. Well, I kind of really wanted to play that. Oh, let's play Fortnite. Alright, hold on. Change my mind, I'm going to Fortnite. I'm going to Fortnite. Hold up. Been in a weird mood all day. Still in a weird mood. It's all good. It's all good. What time is it? 6:18. Okay, I work at 6 in the morning tomorrow. So I have to wake up by 4:30, which means I have to go to bed probably by 8:30, 9-ish. I just took about a 45-minute nap. Don't tell me Fortnite's gonna crash. Pardon me. Is it loading up? Oh. Ba ba bum bum ba bum bum ba da 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 dun. What's chat? Beep bam boom baby, beep bam boom baby. Isn't it this way? Isn't it this way? Where is it? I've lost it. Oh, it's literally right here. That was crazy. Okay, where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Go now, wherever. Get bam. Let's go here. Where's the Oh. Wait, don't lock up. It does this. Come on, computer. Sheesh. We have the laser. We have the laser. What's in there? Oh. Nothing. Okay, where are we going? I don't know. What are we doing? I don't know. Who's here? I don't know. Is that a chest? What's that? Oh, I like it. Let's go here. Okay, we need some blue heals. Excuse me. Wait, is there something down here? Right here? Oh. Hello, sir. You got any blue heels? Oh, doesn't. Eagle Eye? Hello. Okay. If you got any blue heels? Hold on. But we're going to be full of ammo here in a second. What's up there? Is there anything up there? What's up there? That's totally cool looking. Are those fists? Magneto power? Okay, whatever. Wait, was I just here? Where was that NPC just at? Up here? What up? You got a blue? Oh, awesome. Thank you. There's a med kit. Kind of want to take that instead, and let's put the Eagle Eye on 4. Okay. Uh-oh. Um, let's get out of here. Blue? No. Hey. What is that? Flint knock pistol? What? I don't even know what that does. Okay, we need to go this way. Oh, that, yeah, I hate it when that happens. Doesn't seem fair. There we go. All right. Oh, we don't need anything. Is this a bunker? 'Cause I don't want to go to a bunker. Let's go this way. Okay, so we want to head towards Reckless that way. Okay. Excuse me. Aha. It's the medallion dude. Wow, he's way over there. That's gonna be really close. Oh, that was... Yeah. Frames win games, bruh. Shut up. Frames win games, bruh. Frames win games. If I wasn't on my eagle eye, that would have went better. Anyways, GG. Well, yes. Okay. Computer? Okay, good. Alright, let's go with Chill, Stellaris, and I'll be right back. Be right back? Okay. Let's make the be right back a little bigger. $1,200. Computer. Be right back. Did I forget my thing down here? Oh, good. Desktop audio is muted. Okay, good. Okay, look at what we've got. Craziness. Craziness. Akash Patel. Natch Hood. I forgot. Actually, I think we could just put it on Twitch. Oh wait, let's just cancel that. Let's go back to the previous one and look. Video producer. I just want the title from this one. Edit. Title. Cancel. Stream manager. Here. Done. There. We're not ready yet? Okay, good. Come on, peeps, get in here. Lead cod. Wouldn't want you to code. Lead cod. No. 6 seconds, 3 seconds, 2, 1. Started 2 seconds ago. Come on. A water tank is initially full. 2 captors are in it near the top and the bottom that send a unique signal when the water level is at their height, whether it is rising or lowering. They send a unique signal. It doesn't matter if it's either. The signal sent by the top captor is rendered as T, and the one sent at the bottom is B. You must, thanks to the history of the signals received, determine if the tank is currently full, empty, or in an intermediate state. We suppose that the reception has no issue and that the captors work perfectly. Oh. You've never worked in IT, bruh. Okay, signal succession? Okay, we're not calling it that. Oh, it is shortest mode. Okay, so whatever. Signal succession. A string signal succession of T and B representing the succession of signals. A string describing the describing the current state of the tank. The length of signals is T, B, 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 T, T, B, empty. Okay. So, interesting. So if it goes TB, how do we do that? Let's just go like this. For int I equals I. So it starts out at the top, and then it goes to the bottom. So at that point it would be empty. And then if it goes back up the bottom, it's in the middle. Okay. So we want to record the state. Bum, bum, bum. So what would we have? Bottom, middle, top. Is it full? Yeah. So we're only going to have 3 states. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So if I equals 0, if S of I equals T, then state equals 1, 2, and 3. It'll equal 3. So we also need to know the previous state. So we just need to go like this. If S sub I equals T and state is equal to 3, then state equals 2. If S sub I equals B, and oh wait, go like this. If state equals 3, if S sub I equals T, state equals 2 right here. If it's 3, and then if S sub I equals B, then state equals 1. Bam, boo, doo, doo, doo. Of course, you could say they're equal. Yeah, for 1 and 3, it's the same. Okay, interesting. Then at the end, when we're all done, state is outside there, right? Yeah, okay. I don't think that works. Oh. Maybe it does. No? Found full, expected intermediate. Any others? Alright, good enough. Just do it. See what I get. 75%. Oh, okay. Alright, so let's think about this. What do we want to do? It would be good to put the ship in the middle and have the like before, like another mode, like 3, 4, 5, mode 6. Okay, would be good. 5 is fine. 4 is this. Let's do a mode 6. Bum, 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 ba-dum. So the thing with that is, let's just go to a new version here, so we're not going to break anything that works technically the way we like it to work, theoretically, whatever. Okay. Oh, I gotta tell you, it's been, from a programming perspective, it's been very frustrating to go back to work because I had to devote all my attention to work. Toggle buttons on and off, that was cool. Okay, so let's do this now. Main, space. But deconstructing and reconstructing this, deconstructing my main projects and then putting them into here is kind of good. Okay, so we want, you know what I think we could do? A couple of things. So in this mode, what I want to do is put the ship in the middle. In this mode, what do I want to do? And the same with this mode. I would like to see, actually all we would have to do is a shader similar to the Fortnite dance floor, and then just select a spot where they're all like 5 by 5 or whatever, and then just put them in there, put them slightly off time from each other or on time. You know what? Another mode I would like to do. Let's write these down. There's too many here. Modes here. Okay, we want to see a parallax scrolling background for a 2D platformer. I would like to see a 3D voxel, all flat. 3D, we'll just call it the other. I'd like to see the 2D shooter with ship in center. I'd like to move that over. These would be relatively new. These would be new. Actually, all 3 of these things are new. This one I've already got. I just have to move it over. Okay. I'm gonna need a little bit of grapefruit really quick. So I'm gonna be right back. And I'm gonna do this. Oh yeah, and the demo. Hold on. 2D shooter. Also in the 2D shooter, Twitch chat integration. See, there's a lot of stuff. I love that I'm doing this now. This will be great. So I can just go be right back, and this will literally be sitting here doing this while I'm eating, you know. That'd be cool. Actually, another great idea would be to take each element of this demo that would be good, because then I could put that on, go to work for 8 hours, and my stream would literally be on, you know. Bum, 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 bum. That'd be really cool to have like an AI. That would be cool. Yes, and this here, if we had like a text to OpenGL graphics, Okay, we gotta eat some grapefruit. Come on, just one piece of grapefruit. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm virtually done chewing, so. Parallax scrolling background for a 2D platformer. Okay, so for the Fortnite-like dance floor, so here's the voxel one. All we need to do here we are. Here's the voxels here. Okay, so space cube 111. Oh, a couple other people got 75% too. Interesting. Oh, look at that one. All disco dance floor locations. Oh, cool. See, look, from that spot to that spot, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 different states. And you just need, yeah, because it'd be based on time. So, cool. Actually, do I really need... Because I can do this... I can do it with... Hold on. Actually, I can do it with code that we already have. Excuse me. Like, why don't we do it with the Voronoi? Actually, we can do it right inside here. Let's go if is equal. Hold on. Yeah, let's just do it like this. If is equal f type 11 right there. Okay, and then what we would do is just multiply this. So we have the time coming in, and we would want it to cycle. Sine wave, that's it, sine wave. That's fine, yeah. Sine times 2 times pi, whatever. Negative 1 and 1, brightness, now it's between 0 and 1 now. So see, this is exactly how they think, how shader programmers think. Cool. Alright, cool, thank you. So here we go. So we start with brightness. We take the sine of the time times 2 times pi, right? So that's the full circle. Gives us a value between negative 1 and 1. That might be a little fast. Brightness equals brightness times 0.5 plus 0.5. Yeah, because if you take this times 0.5, it goes negative 0.5 to 0.5, add 0.5 and it goes from 0 to 1. Then if you multiply by 0.9 and add 0.1, you're shrinking it to 0 to 0.9 and adding so 0.1 to 1. And then you just brightness, 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 GL frag equals color. Okay, cool. Whoops, do we have to do it that way? Okay. Oh. Oh, alright, it's doing it. Perfect. So let's put it, actually, okay, hold on, here. And let's just multiply right there. So we don't have to use that just yet, but we'll put them all together and we'll, yeah. So this will affect all the Voronoi on the voxel. Right. Does not appear to be doing it. Is there frame text? What's this one? Rain prime block text? How come it doesn't apply? Oh, because I didn't switch it over to the new shader. Remove. To the new. We could do for the whole platform. This will be trippy. Hold on, this can be a little bit trippy. A little bit trippy. The whole thing's a dance floor. Okay, so now the thing we want to do, we need to set up another variable here, because what do they get? Text chord, color, type. Okay, let's do this. This is going to be interesting. So the current one on the platform is 1. Okay, so let's go into Voxel. Init data, we need to, oh, hold on, right here. Init data. Okay, initial palette of 5 colors. Noise, temp Y, color type. Okay, color, scale, type right here. Okay. If random percent 10 equals 1, temp block 300 is not equal to 1. Okay, so this is most of the blocks right here. Let's just change this here for just a second. I'm kind of really cool that this is, excuse me. So let's set the new type. So I know we have it here at 1. You know what, we can even change this whole shader at the moment. So, and this one doesn't go. And we're only using swirl for the space station, so we're not using that. Okay. And type 9, length UV is 4, right? Okay, so this was also for the space station. And then frame text was for the space station. Okay, so the rest is for the, okay. What were we actually going towards? 2 plus 6, so it was 2 plus 0 to 5, so it was going to 7. Okay, cool. So we were never using this one. Okay. Or we were using that. I'm going to 7. Okay. So let's add, since there's going to be 8 different, yeah. I want there to be 8 different time, yeah. So what if we do it like this? Let's just go, we're going to go 1 plus I plus j, and we're going to do mod 8. Okay, and then 1 is the platform, right? 1 is the platform. Okay, and then we're going to add this I plus j mod 8, which would be 0 to 7. Okay. So we want to add 1 to that as well. And then this, we'll cast it to a float. And then we'll take this number and multiply times 10 and add it. So what that's going to do is, this is going to go from 0 to 7. So if we add 1, it's going to go from 1 to 8. Then we're going to multiply it times 10, and then add 10 to 80, multiple of 10 to this. So the first one's going to be 11, and then the last one's going to be 81. Wait, or do we want 0? Because the first one could be 1. No, that's fine. So then in the shader, what we want to do in the shader now, what we want to do is brightness is going to be related to the type instead of in addition to, I mean. So then we'll just go F-type. So then we want to take that, excuse me, so we know that it's going to be, like if we take the type, F-type, if is equal F-type, here we can just do mod 10. Because whatever it is, 10 to 81, it's going to be 1. So that's going to give us that one there. We really don't need the rest of these at the moment. And then the brightness, we want to go F-type divided by 10. So float, we'll just call it the multiplier. Oh, do we already have, let's just call it the brightness multiplier. Equals F-type divided by 10. So if it's 11, that's going to be 1.1. If it's 21, that's going to be 2.1. It's, yeah. 0 and 1 over 2 seconds. And then we also want to round this in the shader. Hold on. Excuse me. Oh, that's it. Okay, so just round. Thank you. Very awesome. Okay, and so if we want to take that and multiply, we just want to... Okay. Oh, you put it inside the sign. Bright mult times pi divided by 4. In this code, bright mult is used to offset the phase of the sine function. The value pi over 4 is used to ensure the maximum offset is less than the period of the sine function, which keeps the brightness within the range of 0 to 0.1 over the 2-second cycle. Okay, cool. Computer? Everybody get that? Alright, let's see if it works. I have no idea. I have no idea. I think it'll be pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay. What's going on here? What's happening? Oh, what's going on? It's broken. Incompatible options for link? What just happened? Wait, let's ask it if this is alright. Crashed it. Line of code you added seems to be calculating the value of type properly each block in your grid. Calculated involves a module operation and multiplication should be fine. If you're still having issues, okay. So I don't think that it is. The only thing other thing I could think of is if ep type mod 10, right? Everything's type 1 though, so we don't even need this calculation. There. Okay, this one works. This one's working. This one, oh, there we go. Oh, it's working. Nice. Oh, cool. So it was choosing the yeah. Nice, we got a little disco. That is sweet looking too. See if it understands what I'm talking about. So I think what I would want to do is, I think all you have to do is, with each I and J, add another calculate the square grid pattern. Grid pattern, oh my goodness. What? Interesting. What in the world? In this code, grid pattern will be 1 for one square of the grid and 0 for the adjacent squares. What does that mean? The size of the square is controlled by the 10 in I divided by 10 mod 2. I divided by 10 mod 2 and j divided by 10. You can adjust this value to change the sizes of the squares in your grid. It's okay to checkerboard pattern in your voxel world where the pulsing appears to pulse from the centers of a square grid. Oh. Ba, ba. Cool. Oh, I see, just that. Okay, cool. Interesting. Hold on. I divided by 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, we don't want to do that. We want to do I mod 8. I don't know, let's try that. Okay, I still don't think that I'm stating myself correctly because of his response. Actually, how would I be even doing this? Oh, but I want to see what that looks like. Hold on. In this code, grid pattern will be 1 for the center square for each apex grid and 0 for all other squares. The center square is defined as blocks for both lines, 3. Okay, there we go. The Manhattan distance. Oh. Using the distance outside the face of the sun. Oh, okay. Cool. Manhattan distance. So let's see what that is. Distance to center. Okay. I mod 8 minus 3 J mod 8. Absolute value? What? Interesting. Distance to center mod 9 times 10. Oh, okay. Alright. There we go. That looks interesting, computer. Again, I'm not getting the semicolon there. Whoops, now I am. But here. Okay. Absolute value. We don't know. It doesn't know absolute value? What? I'm serious right now. Isn't that C math? Hold on. Is that better? Okay. Ba, 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 ba. Oops, there was an error. What? Oh, right here. So what? CSTD live. Okay. Computer? Now what? What's the error? Show me. Just get rid of these warnings. Ambiguous call to overloaded function? Oh. Oh, okay. Cast what to an integer? Oh, so you're adding extra parentheses as well. Of course, because we always add extra parentheses. So then we're going like this. Okay. Okay. I think it'll work now. Okay. Oh, it works perfect. That's cool. Welcome to the dance floor, everybody. The whole world is a dance floor. That's cool. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna leave it there for a second. That's cool. The Manhattan distance, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's got the zoom in on this one? When did I do that? I didn't know that that worked from the other demo. Alright. Oops, here. That's cool. Okay, so this one... wonder if we could do it on this demo. Well, I mean, of course we could. And what would that look like? Well, each one of these squares is the quad. Each one of those squares is in here. New terrain 6. Excuse me. So let's load it. Okay. Actually, most all this, so terrain. Most all of that actually happened in the shader. Excuse me, using the Manhattan distance. So what we can do is terrain, load shaders, terrain 4 FS. We're gonna put I like it says Fortnite leg dance floor, that's the name of it. Excuse me, so let's do that. But where in here do we use excuse me, random grid? Oh, that's for the thing. Okay, Voronoi, we use that for this. Okay. Alright, cool. So then all we have to do is to each one, frag color equals that. Frag color equals that. Okay. Let's see. That's good enough. Here's your code with added comments. Ba, 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 ba. See, I do this all in the fragment shader, which is eventually we're going to change that. Yeah. Alright, so this part. First of all, let's just make sure that works. I don't think we changed anything, right? Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Is that too much info? Sure. And comes back with sure right away. To create a pulsing configuration, is over the center of any grade track current buckets and oh, wait a minute. Actually, how would I be able to do that? Height, the time, text chord, infloat, height. Okay. I'm going to restart Visual Studio because it appears to have a small glitch. Did it put in a lot of extra comments? No, okay. So we just added something right here. Distance to center, and where's that used? Temp Y, if the terrain is not a cave, calculate the Y coordinate, modulate the height with the distance. Oh, I don't want to do that though, no. Actually, What am I doing? I think I need to add another... Oh, the indices are down here. Okay, then we need to add that to the whatever and send it in somehow. So we can either create a new variable for this, or we can piggyback it on something else. Does it keep working while I click away now? So if I wanted to piggyback it on some other value, what can we use? Because what comes in is, we can use the text chord. Let's look at the terrain 3vs. Open. See, out, height, and text chord. Okay, so height is a position Y, and text chord is F text chord. It was a text chord. Okay. Where's the VAO, VBAO thing? IBO, yeah, so vertices, size, terrain, VBO, specific layer precision, texture coordinates. So vertices size times size of float. So where are the texture coordinates though? Oh, add the texture coordinates to the vertices vector. Okay. That sounds like a lot, but it's really not. I'll be right back. Sure, I understand. Wait, what's it doing? Oh, I see. That's not what I want, though. Wait, yeah, it is. Distance to center mod 9 times 0.01. Why is it times 0.01? It doesn't significantly affect the texture coordinates. Well, we're not going to do that, but okay. So we're going to use this part. Come here, come here. Okay, distance to center. There we go. Do we have to make sure to cast this to an int like last time? Then down here, 1 plus, okay, so yeah, we're going to add that in. Push back that plus this part. Not that part. So this is the same thing, just iMod 2, so we're just going to go like this. Then, in the shader now, the texture coordinate will be the multiplier. See here, it'll go through, everything will be fine. What did it say for the shader code? Main, decode the type variable from the texture coordinates. Okay. So that's why it multiplies it by 100. We don't need to do that. Use the type variable as a time offset for the pulsing effect. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, we already have those. Those are being sent in. Okay. It just forgot. Yeah. So this part we're gonna just take the fractional portion. Okay. Okay. So text chord X is gonna equal that. Text chord Y is gonna equal that. Type Y is going to equal floor of X F text chord X minus 1. Oh, okay, cool. Type equals type X divided by 2. Brightness equals that times that. Okay, so maybe we can put this all into just one thing right here. This portion here. Okay. I don't think I have another T that's interfered with. Okay, good. So that'll do that. And then brightness we want to apply anytime there is the frag color equals 0. We don't need to apply it there. Frag color equals that. Okay, so right here. Don't we just go like that? Okay. And then here, random grid. This one is Voronoi. This one's random grid. Alright. Okay, let's try it. Wait, it has the time modulation in the shader, right? Well, we'll find out. Okay, that works. This one still works. This one works. Oh, it does. It actually does. Look at that. Oh, look at this one. So the Voronoi, it's affecting, what is it? Brightness times? Why is it? Oh, you didn't put it everywhere. How did I miss these? Any other spots I missed? Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, the Voronoi is all messed up. I wonder why it's doing that. Is So I tell you what, let's not add any multiplication on the Voronoi. Where's the Voronoi stuff? Oh wait, I think I know what's going on. Hold on. So let's leave it there. Because Voronoi uses f-text chord, which it should actually use this. So UV needs to equal the fractional part of f-text chord x, and the, okay, so hold on. It's a vector 2. Its fractional part of f-text chord. Actually, I think you can do that with a vector 2. Are there any other issues with that one then? Okay. Is that supposed to look like that? That looks even weirder. It actually looks kind of cool. I think it's the height that's messed up. So in the initialization data, temp y. Interesting. Oh, let's go over here. This is a large water area. It looks weird. So is that... weird. That's a crazy disco. Okay, so the thing we want to be able to do is switch that back to normal. Uniform float the BW. Okay, so what... the terrain black and white. Ah, there we go. If mode equals 0, uniform... Okay, so let's set another mode. Is that a float? Yeah.
And let's just add a third one. So G, let's go H. I don't want to get too complicated. It's almost bedtime. I gotta floss and brush and get ready for bed. Wake up at 4:30 in the morning. So let's just do that. And we don't need this extra variable. Then in here, wait, what was it? 400. Oh, right there. Okay. There. So the other two will be fine. So we can go G, space, and then we can go normal. Oh, but it's black and white normal. G, space, H, space. Oh. Hold on. So what? Brightness equals 1. Oh, and then this is because it's based on so 10, 200, or 400. Just for now, let's go or the BW is greater than 300. Oh, so something is wrong with the texture coordinates there. Is it the same on the grass? Okay. So what's going on with the texture coordinates? That's a genius idea. Okay. Done. 001. Does that fix them? There's still a weird kind of a... So what about this one? Huh. Wonder what it is then. Well, this looks cool nonetheless, so... And it's just a mode, so... And this actually does look like slightly more interesting grass, because it's a little bit more different everywhere, I guess. So that's cool. It looks more World of Warcrafty, to be honest. Alright. Well, that's really cool. Oh, I see. That's why. Any other time that we're using it. Yeah, hold on. So when I fixed it in the Voronoi because I put that there. Okay, hold on. So anytime that we use the ftex chord other than the beginning, we need to use text chord X or Y. Okay, so let's change that. My bad. That will fix the problem. X. 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 Because that is actually the modified. Computer, what are you doing? What are you doing? Here, just go like that. Alright, I'm looking at it weird. I've literally been on the computer all day. Okay. And then actually, does random grid actually use a coordinate system? See, ftex chord. So right here, we do the same thing, because that's why, okay, so fractional part of ftex chord. That should fix that. Is there any other point? Okay, no. Alright. Any other spots that I didn't find the texture? Okay. Now let's see if that fixes it. Oh yeah, it shows the grid now. I didn't even think that the grid was missing. Alright. Tell you what, can we make the edges of the grid? Where is that? Wait, why is that brightness times 1? You can take that out. Why do you have that? What was this? Train 4, hold on. I have 1 times it? Why do I have 1 times? Okay, I thought I was just, okay. Let's make it a little dimmer. Because the grid's too bright. Still too bright. I don't remember there being a grid on the water like that. Huh. Now I'm messing it all up. So let's take the fractional part of that, but then let's add in 0.001 after we get the fractional part. Can we do that? Yes. Did that fix everything? This doesn't look like it normally looks. It looks so weird. Tell you what, let's just not draw the grid on the water. If the height is less than or equal to 10, okay, so if h is greater than 10 and that or that. So let's just not draw the grid on the water. It looks so funky. It looks actually a little bit more like water, except for it's a little bright for water, but that's okay. Huh. And there's no grid on the water. There's grid over here. Alright, I think that's all I'm going to do.